Hello and welcome to this course on Cloud and Digital Solutions Architecture Fundamentals. This course touches upon the key concepts related to the designing and building of cloud and digital systems. This is ideally suited for cloud and digital technologists who are aspiring to become solution architects in the IT, digital, and cloud domains and are in the early to middle phases of their journey. The key topics covered in this course include the following: industry trends on cloud and digitalization, enterprise architecture fundamentals, solutions architecture fundamentals, the solutions architecture process, cloud deployment and hosting models, cloud infrastructure, cloud application architecture, cloud data architecture, cloud network architecture, and cloud architecture use cases and examples. That's how we will conclude the course. So who are the solutions architects? Solutions architects build and integrate digital and cloud-enabled IT systems and act as liaisons between business and technology and ensure alignment of the two domains. So one question may ask is, why is this course important and how can it help? First, the demand for solutions architects is constantly increasing. A simple search on LinkedIn or other job sites will reveal thousands of jobs worldwide in the area of digital and cloud solutions architecture. Research also tells us that these are one of the highest paid technical professionals in the digital and IT world. And one of the key reasons is that solutions architects provide the required technical leadership to deliver on business outcomes. As cloud and digital solutions are becoming more complex and require integration of a number of business and technology domains, solutions architects work with everyone to integrate everything in a workable solution and outcome required by the business. Also, the business community considers solutions architects as a trusted and responsible technical resource that they can depend upon during the life cycle of the cloud and digital systems delivery. Let's cover now what is covered and not covered in this course. As this course touches upon key and fundamental concepts related to the designing and building of cloud and digital systems, it is ideally suited for cloud and digital technologists who are in the early to mid phases of their journey to learn about building digital and cloud systems and would eventually like to get an understanding of all the key components of a cloud and digital systems architecture. So again, the course is suited for basic to mid-level IT and cloud professionals who want to get a comprehensive understanding of all the key and fundamental components of a digital and cloud solution. The course assumes that students have some preliminary knowledge of designing and building cloud and digital systems. As the course focuses on the overall architecture of a cloud solution, it touches upon the various topics of enterprise architecture, application architecture, data architecture, network architecture, and related concepts which are key to bring any cloud systems together. The course does not cover in detail any of the specific cloud platforms such as AWS or Azure. However, examples are provided from both depending on the concepts that are covered. For example, when explaining the concepts of compute services, examples are provided of services both from AWS and Microsoft Azure. This course also does not cover any hands-on programming or system configuration topics.